What's up, guys? It's another video, and today it's just a flipping video. I do not have tutorials prepared or something, so today is just a normal flipping video where I just talk along. So I hope you enjoy the cubing videos. It's just that I want something that I want to do on the channel. So I have brought my my oldest Balisong, or the first Balisong. So yeah, here it is. So this is my first Balisong. It is screwed up. This Balisong is on the channel. Has been like seen on a channel. I flipped it on a channel. It's really bad because I made it bad. I think I didn't like take much care of it, and then when it just basically broke or was unusable, I bought a Nautilus, and now it's still good because now I know how to maintain Balisongs. So yeah, this is really unusable. It's so hard to flip. The Boker plus Balisong trainer is pretty heavy knife, and I like lighter knives, so that's already like a minus point. But yeah, this is just unusable. It's not that good. So let's say we have this one. So yeah, this is just way better. Is way better quality. It is way more durable. So that's just the difference between a high quality knife and a low quality knife, or I just didn't take care of it. So if you were interested, the first Balisong is called the Boker plus Balisong trainer, which is surprisingly on most websites known as the best Balisong trainer. Yeah, I just looked up on Google the best Balisong trainer and I bought that one, but it wasn't clearly the best because yeah, it was quite disappointing for me. This is the best Balisong trainer, I think. The Nautilus. You can argue over that the Cracker trainer is better, or like some glider Arctics or glider OG, but I think that the Nautilus is my favorite, and so I think it's Squid's best knife. It is just the Nautilus is just perfect for professional flipping and just intermediate and beginner flippers, because it can do everything. So yeah, that was the video. I think the next video, flipping video, will be a tutorial. I just didn't prepare a tutorial, or didn't like had a tutorial. So yeah, if you like this video, hope you like it. Please subscribe. Bye.